Hey everybody, welcome back to another daily review. Today is what is today? Today is January 10, 2023. Here is the candle right here for the day. As we mentioned yesterday, we did have some imbalance in price here. Price would come down. We were looking for it to come a little lower, but it decided to stay bullish. Very weird price action right now. Very big manipulation. And could be, it's kind of sitting in the middle. So, but at the same time, we do have this high here that's now looking good, and then we're building liquidity underneath. So let's go into a 5-minute real quick. Today was news. 9 o'clock, Powell was talking. You did not want to be a part of any of that. And here is the day right here. Starts open up, comes down, breaking down. London's breaking down, and then you see them around, what is this, 820. Now price is shifting, took some liquidity low, and it's been on the low side the entire open. So this is usually a good indication of a manipulation of a wick daily candle going down, and then you're looking to close price higher, only because we had these big range days. We had, if you notice, this big range up and then this big range down that just happened in these last 2 days. A lot of this has already been taken care of on the lower side, and it came down to sort of a equilibrium here in the middle from this range here. So when it broke up, this was a nice indication of creating bullish structure. Price, this was news, so you're waiting. Especially with news, you don't want to be trading news. You want to let it settle and do its thing and show you its hand. So me personally, I'll wait for it to break up. Was about to catch this, but it's not smart. So wait for order flow. So price came back up, broke up, making higher highs and higher lows right here. And you want to be a part of that easy, smooth ride. Was taking it here to the imbalance that's sitting in here, because I know we had, remember, this price action here came down into the daily imbalance right here that was sitting here, and this was a nice target for the price to come down to as well. Actually, this color needs to change. And so this was the framework, and nice couple 100 points, and took it to this imbalance here, and it's fizzled out. Now tomorrow it's very interesting right now, because we have CPI news on Thursday, right? So technically you're going to be waiting until Thursday. The price will probably, I think they're going to use that to sink it. But until then, I think they're going to slowly come up, unless they break structure here and come down. Then they'll use that as a catalyst to come down right away on Thursday. But unless, I'm thinking now they're going to use this as kind of, building that last part of the lower high and then getting in here and then coming down. In my perfect world, I'd like to see it just start to make structure like this coming down. Maybe not as aggressive, but something like that for CPI for sure. So you kind of want to sit on your hands a little bit, in and out of the market, catch scalps. That's all I'm doing. So, all right, hope this helps you guys. And then is there anything I need to say here? Obviously you got a major liquidity here, but this is pretty much, the algorithm can do whatever it wants at this point. It's kind of sitting in the middle here. Very, very ugly to be in this position if it has a possibility of going down, right? All right, you guys take care. God bless.